welcome to Star Academy once again. Today, in this video lesson, we are going to explore syllabus. Yes, of course, we will discuss what is a syllabus, key component of the syllabus, and role of syllabus in teaching learning process. Let's first define syllabus. A syllabus is a document that outlines the key components of a course or subject. It provides a roadmap for both teachers and students, detailing what will be taught, how the course will be structured, and how students will be assessed. A syllabus is a detailed document that outlines the specific topics, assignments, readings, and activities to be covered in a particular course or subject. It provides a roadmap for both students and instructors, detailing what will be taught, when it will be taught, and how student will be evaluated. The syllabus serves as a guide for the day-to-day instruction within the broader framework of the curriculum. Now let us discuss the five key elements of a syllabus. These are course information. The course information consists of titles of the course code, academic terms, and instructor details. Number two is course description. Course description is a brief overview of what the course covers, its goals, and its relevance. Number three, learning objectives. Learning objectives are the specific skills, knowledge, or competencies students are expected to achieve by the end of the course. Number four, course schedule. Week by week or a session by session breakdown of topics, readings, assignments, and exams. Number five is assessment methods. Explanation of how student will be evaluated. For example, through quizzes, exams, assignments, projects, and the grading criteria. Reading material, required and recommended textbooks, articles, and other resources. And number seven, policies. Classroom policies, attendance requirements, academic integrity, expectations, and other important rules. Syllabus is an essential educational document that outlines the specific details of a particular course or subject. It serves as a guide for both teachers and students, providing a clear roadmap of the topics to be covered, required readings, assignments, homework, exams, and grading criteria. The primary purpose of a syllabus is to inform students of the course's expectations and how they will be met. Typically, the syllabus includes a weekly or monthly schedule that allows students to prepare in advance and manage their time effectively. In addition to detailing the academic content, the syllabus often describes the teaching methods and strategies that will be employed to help students grasp the material. This document grants instructors the flexibility to tailor the course content according to their teaching style, while ensuring that students remain focused on the key points of the course. Furthermore, the syllabus outlines the educational goals and objectives, providing students with a clear understanding of the knowledge and skills they are expected to acquire by the end of the course. A well-designed syllabus also includes policies related to attendance, participation, academic integrity, and other course-specific guidelines. It often includes information on required textbooks, supplemental materials, and any other resources students may need. By providing this comprehensive overview, the syllabus helps in organizing and structuring the academic year or semester, ensuring that both students and instructors are aligned in their expectations. Moreover, the syllabus serves as a contract between the instructor and students, establishing a clear understanding of the responsibility and commitments on both sides. It also provides a framework for the continuous assessment of student progress throughout course, making it an invaluable tool in the teaching and learning process. A syllabus is not just a mere outline of a course. It is a crucial document that facilitates effective teaching, enhances students' learning, and contributes significantly to their academic success. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, share with your friends. Take care and goodbye.